and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. Today is Friday, June 12th, 2026. I want to welcome my subscribers, both new and returning. And as I always say, appreciate you coming by and watching my videos, leaving the thumbs up, leaving comments, and yeah, just appreciate you being here. If you're new and you have not subscribed, please, if you enjoy my content, please subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified when I drop a video or do a live. Generally, that's on a Tuesday at 6 p.m. So today's Friday. It's just a quick video to say hello, have a good weekend, and little update on what's been going on my channel. It's been a little busy this week, so I haven't done many videos, but let's see. I did get some mail, and if you watched my video, my live, if you were on my live on Tuesday, you will know that, see who arrived? Santa arrived. He wasn't supposed to come until July, but he arrived in June. But guess what? I haven't opened the box. It's still sealed. I know someone else who received a package from Santa. Well, it's actually not from Santa. They did open the box, but they're telling me they didn't peek at the contents. Whatever, we'll see. Any case, I have not opened my box. This is my Christmas Advent from Crystal at Bag O' Day's hand-dyed yarn, and this is going to be Christmas in July. And it came early, and every day I look at the box and I wanna open it, but I say, no, this Christmas box is for July. So I'm gonna try and hold off at least till July 1st. Probably will open it all at one time. I'm not really sure if I will be doing Vlogmas for July. I haven't decided yet, but still up in the air. So stay tuned. But if you want to see some beautiful yarn, okay, I'm going to show you my Yarn of the Month from Crystal at Bag O' Day's Yarn of the Month Club. I have shown this yarn. Actually, the June I did show on my live, but I did not like the way the color showed on my camera because I was using my laptop, and my camera on my laptop is just awful. I need to upgrade that, but let me show you April, May, and June so you can get an idea of how beautiful the color of the month is. So I get 3 hanks of yarn every month from the color of the month club. Now, I'm not sure if Crystal is going to be doing that going forward, but I imagine sometime in the future she may. But for now, I'm going to show you what I get for my color of the month. Okay, this is the color of the month for April, and the color was Gravity Falls, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Earthy rocks. I see rocks. I see rock climbing. I see slate blue. And you remember slate sidewalks when you were a kid? You know, those slate blue sidewalks? I see slate blue sidewalks with, you know, the ground, rock formation, and so on. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look how beautiful that color is. Can you see that? It's beautiful. This is 100% superwash, 19 micron superwash merino. It's a worsted 4-weight, and it's got 219 yards per 100 gram hank, and it's absolutely beautiful. 19 microns is so soft, so soft. So this was for May. Okay, let me show you June. Not June. That was April. This is May. Oh, I don't know. The year's just flying by. Okay, so this was the color for May. Can you see how beautiful that is? That's why I wanted to show it again, because, you know, this is perfect lighting and the color is showing true. This is the color of the month for May was Sunflower Fields, and I just see a field of sunflowers. The beautiful golds and mustards and the green with the brown weedy color just that you would see on the stalk. Gorgeous, just fabulous. I think I do have a plan for this color already, It was the ruffled, ruffled cholette. It's a knit pattern. I did show it, and I don't have the book here, but it's a knit pattern that does have beads. So I need to get, I'm thinking like November birthstone, which I think that is, what is the November? Oh, topaz. Yeah, like a topaz color stone. Because to me, this looks like a topaz. Might look beautiful. But, so that was May. Okay, let's see June. June is simply stunning also. Can you look at that? Do you see that? That is so true. The color is so true on this camera. This is for June, is Superwash Merino 19. It's a DK 19 micron Superwash Merino, 255 yards per 100 gram hank. And the color is Mandango Fandango. And Freddie Mercury and Queen had a song, Bohemian Rhapsody, you know, was, and in the song it was, Scaramouche, would you do the fandango? So I think that's where she got fandango from. But I call this my garden party. The Ricky Nelson song, I went to a garden party. Okay, I see a garden. I see a garden party. I see all the flowers in a garden. Beautiful. Look at that. It's just stunning. The color is so true on this camera. And this is my phone. But yeah, it's perfect. Isn't it? It's just gorgeous. It's like that fuchsia, hibiscus fuchsia color with the, you know, a little bit of like kind of goes into like an orange. Beautiful. Yellows and the green leaves. It's a garden party. I'm calling it my garden party yarn. Crystal may have named it Fandango, Mango Fandango, but I'm renaming my garden party, and I absolutely love it. So yes, needless to say, that came, I want to say Monday, and then on Tuesday I got Christmas in July. It's been tough not to open it after you see all this beautiful yarn. I want to see what's in the box. It's taking all of my being not to open it, but I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna hold off. So, okay, so just a quick update on my crochet along. On Tuesday, I announced this summer of 2026 crochet along for my channel, where we will be celebrating 250 years of America, because on July 4th, it'll be the 250 years of America's freedom. Bonnie Barker from Bonnie Bay Crochet dropped a tutorial on Monday, a free tutorial on her YouTube channel for the Heirloom American Throw. And when I saw that beautiful flag pattern, I said, oh, I want to do that. And that would be perfect for my summer crochet along. So I will drop a link below if you haven't seen that video where I did the announcement. Now, when I did the announcement, I said the crochet along started then. I wasn't waiting for the first day of summer because I realized it's a large project. And I hope to have mine done by the 4th of July. I don't know if I could pull it off, but I'm going to try. And I had said that my crochet along originally would end on July 31st. And then many have commented that they did not have the yarn as yet and they would need more time. So I moved the crochet along end date up until the end of August. Some have said, you know what? The end of summer is September 20th. Yes, it is. So I'm going to say, if you are going to join my crochet along and you feel that I should extend the last day of August, leave a comment below. I don't mind extending it at all. Because then, because this is running concurrent with Rainey from the Woolly Llama shop. She will be announcing the summer 2026 craft along as she did for the spring. She's doing one for the summer where you can earn a patch. You have to do so many projects from certain amount of creators to earn a patch. And I know patches are all the rage. Everybody wants to get the patch. My project, the American flag throw, the Heirloom American flag throw, will, you'll be able to use that if you complete this pattern, this throw. You can use that project as part of Rainy's requirement to get the patch. So another reason to join. You can make a beautiful heirloom throw for your family, for yourself, or for a gift. Get a patch, and also be entered into my slideshow, where I will be also entering the names for those that send in their completed patterns, their completed projects, to be entered for a gift from me. You know, I do my giveaways. They're random YouTube name picker, and you win something from my channel. It's no way sponsored by anyone, not YouTube, not any yarn company, no one but me. It's from my funds. So I did start my blanket, my throw. I'm saying it's a blanket, it's really a throw. And it's coming out beautiful. Okay, I've finished the first stripe of red. I'm 2/3 of the way done with the white. It's actually ivory. I did change my mind and went to ivory as opposed to white because I wanted to look like an heirloom piece. So I didn't want it to be stark white. The yarn that I am using is Hobby Lobby's and red, navy, and ivory. You can use any yarn. Actually, Bonnie's doing hers in wool, a wool yarn. I think it's Lion Brand, USA wools. You know, it's wool from the United States. And I didn't want to make mine in wool because I want to be able to throw it in the wash and dry, you know, easy care, you know, for when this gets passed down, you know, thinking, you know, kids climbing on it and cuddling up on the couch in the future. But yeah, so I'm really enjoying this pattern. It uses a lot of yarn. Absolutely. It's very squish. It's something that's going to last a long time, and I'm enjoying each and every stitch because every stripe is a different pattern. It's a different stitch. So yeah, and some stitches I've never done. There is a written pattern that you can purchase on Etsy, and actually one of my subscribers, Jen from Crochet is Life. Yes, that's it. Jen from Crochet is Life. She won a pattern from me for leaving the comment pattern on Tuesday. But there's a free tutorial, so you can make this throw without having to purchase the pattern. But I purchased the pattern because I like to use both. I like the pattern. I like reading patterns, and you know, if you need to use a tutorial, it's free. YouTube, Bonnie Bay Crochet. Okay, so the Heirloom American flag throw is for my crochet along. Leave a message below if you think that I should extend it till September. I don't mind. It just takes me longer to have to spin the wheel for the win. You know, other than that, it really doesn't matter. And I would like as many of that want to join on the crochet along and make this beautiful throw to be able to do that. You know, you may have to order yarn, so on and so forth. Okay, well, that's it. I hope everyone had a great week and that you have a wonderful weekend ahead. Stay safe. It's been very stormy in many states. We've been very hot, sunny, hot, humid, but the storms are going to be coming to us this weekend. So hopefully it'll cool it down a little bit because it's really hot and it's only June 12th. It's going to be a hot summer, I think. Yes. But anyhow, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.